Hi guys, we are here in Leonard's Plaza, the venue of this IREC, hosted by the Association of Filipino Teachers and Corporate Educators in America, and hosted by Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology. This is now, guys, the 4th Intentional Research Education Conference right here in this beautiful building, beautiful venue. And we have here Sergey and Ma'am Helen. They are together. Sergey is the
Vice President for Academic Affairs.
So Sergey, what can you say about this conference? This first time that you are attending.
This is my third time.
Oh, third time, sorry.
Third time to attend the conference because it is my commitment to serve the Filipinos in the Philippines, even here in New York, because I really support the advocacy of APTEA to bring more Filipinos here in New York through this conference and through APTEA.
Thank you so much. There were a lot of Filipino teachers with their dependents who were able to come here in the U.S. because their visas, the tourist visas, were approved by the U.S. Consulate in Manila because of the sponsorship of the APTEA. Ma'am Helen, is there anything you can say about this conference?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. So I'm so happy. So I'm Ma'am Helen from Northern Bukidnon State College. We were co-teacher of the founders.
Yeah. We are co-teachers in MOOCs.
He is the founder of APTEA. And because of him, I was able to get my US visa.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Sergey, I appreciate. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Oh,
sir.
thank you, sir.
Thank you very
Oh,
much,
thank
sir.
you.
Nice
Okay. So guys, we are so happy that there are a lot of teachers here, Filipino teachers, coming here to present their research. Because the focus of the Association of Filipino Teachers and Educators of America is research and professional development. This non-profit, guys, this is really a pure educational organization in the U.S., acknowledged by the IRS as non-profit. So, these are big